Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. First of all, I want to say huge thank you for everyone who is subscribing because I have so many new subscribers, and I know this is due to success of my last animation. The amount of views and likes is, to be honest, a little scary. I'm talking about this animation, and I want to include a quote by the famous bird.
This bird on my head says, "What the fuck?"
I'm kidding, but to be honest, thank you so much. In this video, I want to show you how I created animation about dancing parrot. As always, I was starting from raw sketches, then I made line art, and then I colored it. So this is how this animation is created. Am I the only one who thought that Procreate Dreams record your process of creating? Some of you who use Procreate know that Procreate recording your process of creating. And I thought that Procreate Dreams have the same function, but to be honest, I could not find it. So this is why this process of creating animation is so short, because I cannot show you. I don't have a footage of how I created it, and I think I need to solve this problem in the future when I will make new animations, because I maybe can use screen recording on iPad. Since this video is very short, also I want to share something with you. Am I the only one who has hoarding problem? And by hoarding problem I mean I have so many pencils that I don't use, and I had this pencil for years and years and years, and I'll show you this. Probably I have this fear of being somewhere and don't have a pencil with me, so I don't know if other artists have this problem, because I'm probably scared that I would not have pencils with me and everything around me would be either boring or no and would be inspiring, and I would want to draw and I would not have art materials with me. So this is why I have so many materials. It's like some of these pencils are so small that it's impossible to use them. But I, for some reason, cannot throw them away. I don't know what's wrong with me. Also, I have bad news, like really bad news. I'm an artist from Russia, and as you may know, there are many sites that are getting blocked in Russia. There are rumors that YouTube would be banned in Russia. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here. Instagram is banned in Russia, but people still can use Instagram. And you know, I'm someone who spends a lot of time watching YouTube videos. You know, Russia says something like, "Oh, don't worry that if YouTube won't be there, you could still use Russian platforms, and there's all the bloggers will be there." And I'm like, but I'm watching people all around the world, not only Russian bloggers. I'm interested, like I watch people from all around the world. I watch many artists. This is where I get the most useful information from. This is where I get inspired. This is okay, I'm not gonna be talking about this topic anymore, because everyone has already said everything about this. But I'm still posting, and I'm definitely not going to leave YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.